In this problem, we just bought a $650,000 house with a 20% down payment. Let's calculate the loan amount here, not down payment. So 1 minus the down payment rate times the purchase amount. We're going to borrow $520,000. Normally this is a 30-year mortgage, so the monthly payment would have been, using the PMT function, that's the rate divided by number of payments a year for 30 years times number of payments a year, and put a negative sign in front of the present value. If this was a standard 30-year mortgage, we would have had to pay $2,855.38 a month. But this is not a normal mortgage. At the end of year 8, we're going to have to pay whatever that remains in one balloon payment. I'm going to put an arbitrary number because I'm going to use the goal-seek function. If the balloon payment was $50,000, I can calculate the present value of all these payments at 5.20% APR monthly for 8 years. And payment is that many a month, and future value is 50,000, or final value 50,000 a year. 50,000 at the end of year 8. So if balloon payment was 50,000, present value of all payments would have been 256. Obviously the amount is, loan amount is 520, so 50 is not the right number. Maybe 100, 500, and so on. Well, instead of doing trial and error, let's calculate the difference between present value of all payments and the loan. We want this number to be 0. Using goal-seek what-if analysis, I want to make that 0 by changing the balloon payment amount. Done. So the balloon payment amount is $448,515.59. We could have also solved this problem by using an amortization table, but that's way too much work and unnecessary.